સ્વામીનું લિસ્ટિંગ થયું છે 288 પ્રતિ શેરની ઇશ્યુ પ્રાઇસ સામે 250 પ્રતિ શેર પર આ શેર જે છે તે આપણને લિસ્ટ થતો દેખાઈ રહ્યો છે. આપણી સાથે ચર્ચા કરવા જોડાયા છે આરકે स्वामीना होल टाइम डायरेक्टर और ग्रुप सीईओ शेखर स्वामी. शेखर जी, गुड मॉर्निंग, स्वागत है आपका. और सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन लिस्टिंग. इन्वेस्टर्स को क्या मैसेज देंगे आप?
इन्वेस्टर्स को मैसेज ये देना चाहता हूँ कि ये हमारा कंपनी है, ये लॉन्ग टर्म प्ले है. वी आर अ business which has been around for 50 years, and the initiatives that we have in place are all initiatives that usually take a little bit of time, but they're fundamental initiatives. जो हम कर रहे हैं, actually in our space nobody is attempting to do any of this. So जैसे हम grow करना चाहते हैं with the initiatives in place, with our client base which is very large, and with our various marketing disciplines, communication हो या analytics हो या market research हो, हम तीनों disciplines में grow करेंगे. This is our plan anyway, and this is what we intend to do, and the market is also growing. अभी जो अगले साल आने वाला है, starting in April, of course there will be a spike in the first quarter because of the election buoyancy. But we are usually a company that works 40% of our business is in the first half up to September, and 60% of our business is in the second half. So anybody looking at us must keep that in mind and make their own assessment. But given the various plans we have from a client perspective, from a geographic perspective, and also from the new disciplines perspective, we have our hands full. We will be busy, and we will be running pretty hard in the times to come.
ठीक है सर. और आपने कहा था H2 में 60% ऑफ रेवेन्यू हमने आते हुए दिखा है, तो अब ईयर एंड जो हम लोग देखेंगे तो 350 करोड़ रेवेन्यू के साथ देख रहे हैं, और FY25 के लिए ग्रोथ गाइडेंस क्या रहेगा सर?
So, madam, growth guidance in our sector is will be in double digit. उसके आगे हम I need to settle down the situation with the new listing and the IPO and everything else. So even if we do that as a double digit, teens, mid teens to high teens, I think this is a company that will that is historically with those levels of growth rates. Our performance in terms of what flows down to the bottom line is always a good performance. So I think that is how when we grow. I mean, historical data भी analyze करें तो if our top line grows by X, our PAT line grows by 1.5x. That's the ratios that we have seen over time.
ठीक है सर. और एक EY रिपोर्ट की बात करें तो उसके मुताबिक 2024 में डिजिटल मीडिया जो है टेलीविज़न को ओवरटेक कर सकता है, तो यहाँ आप क्या सोच रहे हैं, कैसा ग्रोथ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
Our digital growth is in line with what the industry is doing. In fact, we do better. एक दो तरीके से देखते हैं हम डिजिटल को. एक तो मीडिया है, मीडिया तो ग्रो करेगा ही. दूसरा तरीका ये है कि हम डिजिटल कंटेंट में एक्चुअली ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, बिकॉज डिजिटल कंटेंट हैज़ वेरी हाई डिमांड. Clients need it a lot. They are constantly looking for enhancing their content that they need to provide to their marketplaces, and we have a natural play in that. So the digital content side is where I think our bread is buttered better, I would say. So that is where we have seen a lot of traction in the last few years, and we continue to see that traction. So our focus in digital is both on the content side as well as the media side. So दोनों तरीके से हमारा वो grow करेगा ही. That is in line with expectations, and we hope to do better than that.
ठीक है सर. और इंडस्ट्री वाइड ट्रेंड की बात करें तो व्हाट इज़ द मिक्स लाइकली टू बी गोइंग अहेड, और कैसे देख रहे हैं आप?
So industry wide data analytics is very large. The growth rate in that segment of our business is very good. जितना हम कर सकते हैं, clients are all having a lot of data, and new clients are looking at that space because they need to make their marketing more efficient. So in the fragmented world of media that we see a lot of potential for the analytics space, and analytics is where marketing and technology interface is very high, and we are actually scaling up our infrastructure for that as well. So future dekhe to the trend towards data analytics and integrating that into the overall marketing ecosystem is I would not call it a trend, it's a necessity. More and more companies have to do it, and they are doing it, and in order to enable them to do it, actually we have a 15-year history and experience in that space. So वो एक line of discipline or work that we have built scale in that, and we will continue to build scale in that. So infrastructure wise also we are going to invest heavily in that space.
ऑन दैट नोट शेखर सर, शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और ये सारी डिटेल शेयर करने के लिए, और ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर कमिंग क्वार्टर्स सर.